So when you're using ngarawa ko, you have to know the difference between singular and plural. So if you're saying the friends of, or the friend of, or the dog of, or the dogs of, in Māori, the word for the is te, singular, as in te whare, the house. If you want to say the houses, you have to say ngā whare. Ngā whare is the plural of the houses, which means the houses. Te kuri, the dog. Ngā kuri, the dogs. I'll give you some other words that you need to know. Te tamaiti, the child. When you say the children, you have to use the plural ngā. And it changes. Actually, you say ngā tamariki. Tamariki means children. Te wahine, the woman. Here's the plural. Ngā wahine, the women. You'll notice there's a macron on the plural. Wahine. As opposed to wahine, which is just woman. Tangata. Te tangata, the person. Ngā tangata, the people. You notice again with tangata, there's a macron above the A, which makes it plural. Te matua, the parent. And ngā matua, the parents.